Hey guys, Mike from Action Power Sports here, bringing you a special treat. Today we have the 2021 CBR1000RR-R Fireblade SP Special. This here is one of 300 made this year, and only 50 allotted to North America. And we have one here at Action Power Sports for sale, and it is an extremely exclusive ride here. So starting at the front, you get a ton of really premium features here, including Brembo brakes, the HRC tricolor paint, larger throttle body, forged aluminum pistons, throttle by wire system, Honda selectable torque control, quick shifter, smart key fob, full color screen, and many, many more features, including very interesting Öhlins suspension setup that is electronically controlled here up at the top of the forks. And in the rear, now Honda and Akrapovic did design this exhaust together specifically for this bike to give you adequate torque down low and a ton of horsepower up top when you need it. Now this 999cc inline 4 produces a staggering 214 horsepower on a body that's only 443 pounds wet. So this thing is an absolute rocket ship. If you'd like for more information or do you like to see this thing in person, my name is Mike Peterson here at Action Power Sports, 262-373-6394.